Interesting facts about Islam. Welcome to my YouTube channel Islamic Education. Today I would like to talk about interesting facts about Islam. Origins of Islam. Islam originated in the Arabian Peninsula in the 7th century CE, with the Prophet Muhammad receiving revelations from Allah through the angel Gabriel. The Quran, Islam's holy book, is believed by Muslims to be the literal word of God as revealed to Prophet Muhammad over a period of approximately 23 years. 5 Pillars of Islam. The 5 pillars of Islam are the 5 basic acts of worship that are considered mandatory for all Muslims. Shahada, faith declaring the oneness of God and the prophethood of Muhammad. Salah, prayer, performing 5 daily prayers facing the Kaaba in Mecca. Zakat, charity, giving a portion of one's wealth to those in need. Sawm, fasting, observing fasting during the month of Ramadan from dawn until sunset. Hajj, pilgrimage, making a pilgrimage to the Kaaba in Mecca at least once in a lifetime, if physically and financially able. Islamic calendar. The Islamic calendar, known as the Hijri calendar, is a lunar calendar consisting of 12 months in a year of 354 or 355 days. It begins with the migration Hijra of Prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Medina in 622 CE. Contributions to science. Islamic civilization made significant contributions to various fields of science, including mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and optics. Scholars like Al-Khwarizmi, Ibn Sina, Avicenna, Al-Biruni, and Ibn al-Haytham made groundbreaking discoveries and advancements in areas such as algebra, trigonometry, medicine, and the scientific method. Golden Age of Islam. The Islamic Golden Age refers to a period of cultural, economic, and scientific flourishing in the Islamic world, spanning roughly from the 8th to the 14th centuries. During this time, Islamic civilization made remarkable achievements in areas such as art, architecture, literature, philosophy, and technology. Islamic Art and Architecture. Islamic art and architecture are characterized by intricate geometric patterns, arabesques, and calligraphy, often devoid of human or animal figures due to religious prohibitions against idolatry. Examples of Islamic architecture include the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem, the Great Mosque of Córdoba in Spain, and the Taj Mahal in India. Diversity within Islam. Islam is not a monolithic religion and has various sects and branches, the largest of which are Sunni and Shia. Sunni Muslims constitute the majority, while Shia Muslims are the largest minority. There are also smaller sects within Islam, such as Sufism, which emphasizes mysticism and spiritualism. Women in Islam. Islam grants women rights and protections, including the right to education, inheritance, and employment. However, interpretations of Islamic teachings on gender roles vary widely among different cultures and communities. The Quran promotes the equitable treatment of women and condemns practices such as female infanticide and forced marriages. Islamic ethics and morality. Islamic ethics are based on principles of justice, compassion, honesty, and generosity. Muslims are encouraged to uphold moral values in all aspects of life and to treat others with kindness and respect. The concept of jihad, often misunderstood, refers to the struggle to uphold one's faith and values, which can include personal, spiritual, and societal dimensions. It does not inherently imply violence. Global spread of Islam. Islam spread rapidly throughout the Arabian Peninsula and beyond following the death of Prophet Muhammad, facilitated by trade, conquests, and missionary activities. Today, Islam is the second largest religion in the world, with over 1.8 billion followers, and is practiced on every continent. Holy sites in Islam. Mecca, the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, is the holiest city in Islam and home to the Kaaba, the most sacred site in Islam toward which Muslims pray. Medina, where the Prophet Muhammad migrated to and is buried, is the second holiest city in Islam. Islamic Finance. Islamic finance is a system of banking and financial transactions that operates in accordance with Islamic principles, prohibiting interest riba, and promoting risk-sharing and ethical investments. Islamic financial instruments include mudaraba, profit-sharing, musharaka, joint venture, and sukuk Islamic bonds. Environmental stewardship. Islam emphasizes the importance of environmental conservation and stewardship. Muslims are encouraged to respect and protect the natural world and to avoid wastefulness and pollution. Concepts such as Caliphate stewardship and Hima protected areas are rooted in Islamic teachings about caring for the earth and its resources. Interfaith dialogue. Islam promotes dialogue and cooperation among people of different faiths and cultures. Muslims are encouraged to engage in respectful dialogue and to work towards peace and understanding. Throughout history, Islamic civilizations have fostered multiculturalism and tolerance, allowing diverse religious and ethnic communities to coexist harmoniously. Modern Muslim contributions. In contemporary times, Muslims have made significant contributions to various fields, including science, technology, literature, arts, politics, and social activism. Prominent Muslim figures include Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai, physicist Abdus-Salam, author Layla Ahmed, and politician Malcolm X. These are just a few highlights showcasing the rich history, diverse cultures, and profound impact of Islam on humanity. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Islamic Education to get all the updates.